Hi kids! Welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV. Today, we're going to discuss about equivalent fractions. In this lesson, you will learn and understand what equivalent fractions are. At the same time, to answer the question, how to find equivalent fractions. Are you ready? Equivalent fractions are fractions that have the same value but have different numerators and denominators. There are four ways finding equivalent fractions. The first one is multiplying both numerator and denominator by the same non-zero number. Let's do the first example. Find the equivalent fractions of 1/3. Let's multiply its numerator and denominator by 2. So 1/3 is equal to numerator 1 times 2 is equal to 2. The denominator 3 times 2 is equal to 6. Therefore, 1/3 and 2/6 are equivalent fractions. Let's find another equivalent fractions of 1/3. Let's multiply again 1/3 by another number. Let's try 3. The numerator 1 times 3 is 3. And the denominator 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Therefore, 3/9 is also the equivalent fraction of 1/3. So it means the fractions 1/3, 2/6, and 3/9 are equivalent fractions. The next way in finding the equivalent fraction is by dividing both the numerator and the denominator by the same non-zero number. Find the equivalent fractions of 15 over 20. Let's divide its numerator and denominator by 5. The numerator 15 divided by 5 is 3 over the denominator 20 divided by 5 is 4. Therefore, 15 over 20 and 3 over 4 are equivalent fractions. Let's try another example. Find the equivalent fractions of 10 over 12. Let's divide the numerator and the denominator by 2. The numerator 10 divided by 2 is 5 over. The denominator 12 divided by 2 is 6. Therefore, 10 over 12 and 5 over 6 are equivalent fractions. Let's now proceed to the third way. To find if fractions are equal, use the cross product method. Let us find out if 1/2 and 5/10 are equivalent fractions. Let us start by multiplying the numerator 1 and the denominator 10. 1 times 10 is 10. Next, let's multiply the numerator 5 and the denominator 2. 5 times 2 is 10. The product of these two fractions is 10. Therefore, 1/2 and 5/10 are equivalent fractions. Let's have another example. Let us find out if 2 over 4 and 4 over 8 equivalent fractions. Again, let us start by multiplying the numerator 2 and the denominator 8. 2 times 8 is 16. Next, let's multiply the numerator 4 and the denominator 4. 4 times 4 is equal to 16. And the product of these two fractions is 16. Therefore, 2/4 and 4/8 are equivalent fractions. And the last way is to find a missing term in a fraction, find the cross product of the first pair of terms, and divide by the other given term. In these given fractions, the denominator of the second fraction is missing. So, let's start finding it by using the cross product method. Let's start by multiplying the denominator 4 by the numerator 4. Then divide by the other given number term, which is 2. 4 times 4 is 16. Divided by 2 is 8. So the missing term here is 8. 2/4 is equal to 4/8. Therefore, 2/4 and 4/8 are equivalent fractions. Once again, this is how we find the equivalent fractions. First, multiplying both numerator and denominator by the same non-zero number. Second, dividing both the numerator and the denominator by the same non-zero number. Third, to find if fractions are equal, use the cross product method. And lastly, to find a missing term in a fraction, find the cross product of the first pair of terms and divide by the other given term. Give 3 fractions equivalent to 2/10. To actively participate in this activity, you may do this in your notebook. Let's check your answer. For the first equivalent fraction of 2/10, let's multiply the numerator and the denominator by 2. The numerator 2 times 2 is 4. And the denominator 10 times 2 is 20. So the first equivalent fraction of 2/10 is 4/20. Let's do now the second equivalent fraction of 2/10. Let's multiply the numerator and the denominator by 3. The numerator 2 times 3 is 6. And the denominator 10 times 3 is 30. So the second equivalent fraction of 2/10 is 6/30. Let's now do the third equivalent fraction of 2/10. Let's multiply the numerator and the denominator by 4. The numerator 2 times 4 is 8. And the denominator 10 times 4 is 40. So the third equivalent fraction of 210 is 8/40. Therefore, 2/10 is equivalent fractions of 4/20, 6/30, and 8/40. Next, give 3 fractions equivalent to 8/10. Let's check your answer. For the first equivalent fraction of 8/10, let's multiply the numerator and the denominator by 2. The numerator 8 times 2 is 16. And the denominator 10 times 2 is 20. So 8/10 is equivalent to 16/20. And for the second equivalent fraction of 8/10, let's multiply the numerator and the denominator by 3. The numerator 8 times 3 is 24, and the denominator 10 times 3 is 30. So 8 over 10 is also equivalent fraction of 24 over 30. Let's now try the third equivalent fraction of 8 over 10. Let's multiply the numerator and the denominator by 4. The numerator 8 times 4 is 32. And the denominator 10 times 4 is 40. So the third equivalent fraction of 8 over 10 is 32 over 40. So 8 over 10 is equal to 16 over 20, 24 over 30, and 32 over 40. Give the missing term to make the fractions equivalent. Let's check your answers. For number 1, let's multiply the numerator 6 and 15 and divide it by 5. So 6 times 15 is 90. Divided by 5 is 18. So the missing term is 18. 6 over 5 is equivalent to 18 over 15. For number 2, let's multiply the denominator 9 and the numerator 7 and divide it by 3. 9 times 7 is equal to 63. Divided by 3 is 21. So the missing term is 21. 21 over 9 is equivalent fraction of 7 over 3. Number 3. Let's multiply the numerator 8 and 15 divided by 5. 8 times 15 is 120. Divided by 5 is 24. So the missing term is 24. 8 over 5 is equal to 24 over 15. And for the last number, let's multiply the numerator 27 and the denominator 7 divided by 9. 27 times 7 is equal to 189. Divided by 9 is 21. So the missing number is 21. So 27 over 21 is equivalent to 9 over 7.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.